Can I make you rich in 2026? Here's the truth nobody tells you. If you think AI is a magic button that will make you rich overnight, stop watching for a second because what I am about to tell you could save you months wasted time and maybe even thousands of dollars. And if this video changes the way you think about AI, do me a quick favor, hit the like button. It helps the help reach more people who needs to hear the truth. Now let's get started. Can AI make you rich in 2026? The short answer is yes, but probably not the way you think. Every day you see people online claiming they made $10,000 in a week using AI. Others say AI will replace every job, while some believe AI is just another internet trend. So what's actually true? Listen carefully. AI is not the business. AI is the tool, and that's the biggest difference most people don't understand. Think about it like this. A professional chef and a beginner can both use the same expensive kitchen, but who cooks the better meal? The chef. The tool is the same. The skill is different. AI works exactly the same way. Most people open at AI chatbot, ask one question, get one answer, and expect money to appear. That's not how successful people use AI. They use it to work faster, create better content, solve problems, and serve customers more efficiently. This is important. AI does not create wealth by itself. It helps probably people create more value, and the people who create the most value usually earn the most money. So how are the real making money with AI in 2026? The first way is content creation. You don't have to be famous. Many creators use AI to brainstorm video ideas, write outlines, improve scripts, create social media captions, or plan content calendars. Instead of spending 4 hours planning a video, they might finish in 1 hour. The second way is freelance service. Imagine a small business owner who needs blog articles, email newsletters, product description, or social media post. If you know how to use AI properly, you can deliver high quality work much faster. Instead of writing every day more scripts, AI helps you create a solid first draft. There you create, edit, and improve. That's how many freelancers increase their income without lowering quality. For example, imagine charging $50 for a blog post. Without AI, maybe you finish 2 posts a day. With better workflows, maybe you finish 4. Your price stays the same, but your productivity doubles. Another opportunities is digital products. Many people create ebooks, plans, templates, worksheets, or online course with AI, helping them organize ideas and speed up the writing process. These products can be sold repeatedly, creating income over time. You can also use AI for learning new skills faster. Need to understand marketing, coding, graphic design, copywriting. AI can explain differently topics, create particle exercises, answer questions, and help you learn much more activities that searching random websites for hours. Now let's talk about something that almost nobody mention. Most people fail with AI because they keep asking, how can AI make me money? The better question is, what problem can I solve using AI? That small mindset shift changes everything. Business don't pay for AI. They pay for solutions. Customers don't pay because you used AI. They pay because you saved them time, helped them make more sales, improve their business, or solved a real problem. Here's a simple example. A local business struggles to write weekly social media posts. You use AI to help create professional content, edit it carefully, and deliver 4 weeks of post. The customer saves hours every month. That's valuable. Or imagine helping someone write a professional resume. AI helps you organize the information, but your editing and understanding make the final result much better. See the difference. AI supports your work. You provide the value. Now you might be wondering, what are the best AI tools to learn in 2026? There are several relative options. ChatGPT is excellent for writing, brainstorming, learning coding, research, and everyday productivities. Claude is known for handwriting long documents, details writing, and thoughtful response. Google Gemini instructions well with Google's ecosystem and is useful for research and productivity. Canva includes AI-powered design features that help create predictions, social media graphic, and marketing materials. Perplexity combines AI with web search, making it useful for finding and summarizing information. You don't need every AI tool. In fact, trying to learn 10 different AI platforms usually slows people down. Pick one or two, learn them deeply, practice every day. That's how real skills are built. Let's be realistic about money. Could someone earn an extra $100 per month using AI? Absolutely. Could someone build a freelance business earning $1,000 or even several thousand dollars per month? Yes, but it takes learning, consistency, clients communication, and real effort. Can someone become a millionaire overnight just because they downloaded an AI app? No, absolutely no. Anyone promises that is selling a fantasy, not a business. Listen carefully. The people who benefit the most from AI are not necessarily the smartest people. They are the people who keep learning while everyone else keeps scrolling. Every major technology shift creates new opportunities. The internet did, smartphones did, social media did, and now AI is doing the same. The question is not whether AI will change the world. It already has. The real question is whether you will learn to use it before everyone else catches up. Imagine where you could be 1 year from now if you spend just 30 minutes every day learning AI skills. That's over 180 hours of focus learning in a year. Those hours could become better opportunities, higher paying freelance work, a growing YouTube channel, a digital product business, or simply becoming more valuable at your correct job. Small improves added up. Don't crave shortcuts. Build skills. Skills create value. Value creates income. And income creates of your daily routine and opportunities. That's the formula that keeps working regardless of technology. So can AI make you rich in 2026? Yes, but only if you use it as a tool to solve real problems, improve your skills, and consistency create value for other people. If you are waiting for AI to do all the work, if you learn how to work with AI, you might completely change your future. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more practical AI and online income content, and let me know in the comments if you had 1 hour to learn one AI skill today, what would you choose? Thanks for watching. Stay curiously, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.